In today's guided meditation, you will have a chance to view and break open the current belief systems in your subconscious mind. There will be pockets where my voice goes silent. These moments give you an opportunity to see what arises and what belief systems are ready to be dissolved. Take time in these moments to simply allow whatever comes forth to be there. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for joining me for today's guided meditation. As we journey into the subconscious mind and break free from all that is holding us back, I invite you to settle into this sacred space, bringing your conscious awareness to your breath, in through your nose and out through your mouth. In through your nose and out through your mouth. As you intentionally create this flow of breath, allowing yourself to sink deeper and deeper into a meditative state, finding peace and relaxation in this moment. As you breathe, envision yourself walking down a beautiful forest path. Willow trees line both sides of you. Their beautiful flowing branches sway from side to side, both sturdy and flexible. Walking down this whimsical path, you feel a stillness within you. Magic exists in this beautiful experience. Feeling yourself connected to the earth as you walk through this path, noticing the caress of the wind across your skin, the warmth of the sun as it beats down on you. Beautiful birds flying up ahead, critters walking by your side, everything flowing in perfect harmony. As you walk down this path, you see a beautiful portal of light just ahead. Excitedly, you step into this light. A wave of white energy pours down through your energy field, cleansing and clearing you of all low vibrational energy present in your system. As you step through the light, a beautiful and radiant vision encompasses your entire psyche as you witness this light consume you and all around you. Breathing into this experience, you walk deeper into this light, stepping into a room of beautiful grids, lines, and geometric patterns. As you stand at the center of this room, a powerful being stands before you, glowing with light force energy. As you stare into this being, you realize this is a part of yourself, your higher and subconscious mind in visual form. You are here today to witness the complexities of your subconscious mind, to bear witness to the way that your beliefs alter the paths and prohibit you from seeing the full expansion and possibility in all waking realities. Today, as you stand before this being, they have a powerful message to share with you. As you sink into their energy, they will show you the way that your current beliefs are holding you back from your highest potential. In the next several moments, as you sink into this message, allow yourself to open to all of the wisdom and knowing available to you now. With each shared experience, you notice that each belief that is brought to your mind builds bars around you. As your higher self continues to share these beliefs, watch and listen as bars begin to build themselves up, creating a cube around you. Every belief that we anchor into traps us in a pattern of thought and perceptive reality. In this moment, you have the ability to shatter these beliefs, to break free from these bars that have created a subconscious prison around your possibility of perception. In this moment, allow yourself to become a beautiful nebula, to expand your light so widely and so brightly that each belief breaks around you, creating expansion and freedom in your subconscious mind. As these beliefs shatter into millions of pieces, watch as you expand to encompass your higher self. Expand to encompass the entirety of the room in which you currently visualize. Expand to encompass the entirety of the waking universe. As you are in this expanded state, realize that you are everything and nothing at the same time. That as you root in to the reality of limitless possibility, all that you perceive can be projected in your waking reality, and you can live in this walking dream state in each and every moment. That as you perceive connection and community It will materialize in your waking reality. As you perceive miracles and abundance, it will materialize in your waking reality. As you perceive your dreams coming true, they will materialize in your waking reality. It is through the mindful and conscious intention we place on each thought, on each perception, and the ability to constantly evolve our beliefs that create a world of possibility. As you breathe in this new awareness, see yourself as an extension of Source in your human vessel. Allow your human vessel to expand energetically to encompass all that you are now. And as you set the intention to live in harmony with this knowing and with this energetic expansion, you will witness the materialization of all of your perceptions. Breathing deep into this knowing as you allow yourself to wake, as you bring your conscious awareness back to your present reality with this newfound expansion. Breathing in as you integrate all that was witnessed here, all of the knowing that you remembered today. Breathing deep in to the magic, the possibility of creation, allowing yourself to sink into gratitude for how easy it gets to be. As you find yourself here now, when you are ready, open your eyes and enjoy the reality